What if an AI coding agent worked inside a disposable Linux virtual machine instead of directly on your Mac? In this real run, we test Clawk version 0.2.0 for isolation, autonomous repair, network control, and disposable state. We start with a deliberately broken Python reporting function. It mishandles invalid numbers, replaces category totals instead of adding them, and rounds incorrectly. Both tests fail before the agent begins. Clawk boots a dedicated Linux VM, and Claude Code investigates inside it. The base image has no Python interpreter, so Claude installs Python inside the guest, not on the host Mac. It then reads the tests, identifies the 3 defects, and changes only the implementation file. We do not accept the agent's own success claim. A separate host-side script checks the changed paths and reruns the tests. Only source/report.py changed, and both independent tests pass. Next, we test host isolation. A synthetic marker sits outside the repository on the Mac. The guest cannot find or read it, so the repository boundary works in this test. A connection to an unlisted destination is also blocked, and the denial appears in Clawk's host-side log. This is useful control, but it does not prevent data from being sent to destinations that you explicitly allow. Finally, we stop the VM and perform a cold restart. The Python package installed inside the guest is gone. The repaired source remains in the host repository, and the tests still pass. Our verdict is that Clawk is worth adopting for further evaluation. It is not a magic box that makes powerful agents safe. It is a useful boundary. Give the agent a workspace you can destroy, while humans still design the host and network policy.